Hello, Management 6133 online students. Welcome to week 2. This video is just to show you what you need to do this week and where to go and what to do, that sort of thing. So, welcome. So as I said, we're in week 2. So if we go to Content, week 2 module, and then click on week 2, you'll see everything you need to do. So the first thing you need to do in learning about enterprise systems is to read your textbook or watch the videos. So here is your textbook, and when you open up your textbook and go into it, this is what you should see. So last week we covered this chapter, this week we're covering this chapter. You can either read the text, which is an old version, or watch all the videos and learn about enterprise systems and the data you need in SAP. So that's the first thing you need to do. The next thing you need to do is your lecture. So you have some choices. You can just read the PowerPoints that are here, or you can watch this recorded virtual lecture, or you can attend my other classes virtual lecture. So if you go back to the home page, I have a list of all the virtual lectures. So the week 2 lecture is January 17th at 9 a.m. So you can join that live virtual lecture here. After the week is done, I put the recording. So you'll see the week 1 recording from that virtual class here. So again, three things you can do, right? Either just read the PowerPoint slides on your own, you can watch my pre-recorded video, or you could join our live virtual class. So the other thing you need to do is get comfortable with logging on to SAP and navigating around. So you need to log on to SAP. So last week you were to download the SAP GUI. If you have not done that, please do that immediately. Then you need to log on. So I have a video that shows you how to log on. Your usernames and passwords are on the announcements. So here's all your sign-in information. And your individual username is in this attachment. So that's where you get the information to log on. So after logging on, I encourage you to watch this video that I created showing you how to navigate around SAP. And then you need to do your assignment. So there's this navigation course. So open it up and it'll walk you through navigating through SAP. There are 6 exercises in that course. Please, in a separate Word document, put the answers to those 6 questions. Please put a screenshot from exercise 2 and submit them to the submission folder, Module 2 Navigation Exercises. And you need to do that by January 21st at 10 p.m. There is also a quiz for you to do on Chapter 2, so please do that quiz by January 21st at 10 p.m. As always, if you have any questions, email them to me. But I encourage you, any questions that you may have, put them in the course questions discussion. That way, if others have the same question, they can see the answers and I don't have to answer the same question 10 times. You can also put in questions to ask your peers as well. And make sure you subscribe to this discussion. So I've subscribed, but you can click on subscribe here. So hopefully that gets you started on week 2. If you have any questions, please reach out to me.